Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss about Catharanthus roseus plant care and benefits. This Catharanthus roseus, commonly known as bright eyes, Madagascar periwinkle, Cape periwinkle, formerly known as Vinca rosea. This Catharanthus belongs to Apocynaceae family. Vinca is an ornamental and medicinal flowering plant. Vinca is a native of Madagascar. This plant was formerly included in the genus Vinca as Vinca rosea. This Catharanthus is an evergreen subshrub. This is noted for its long flowering period throughout the year in tropical conditions. Full sun and well-drained soil are preferred. Don't overwater the plant. Numerous cultivars have been selected for variation in flower colors like white, pink, mauve, peach, scarlet, reddish and orange. This plant has a tolerance of cooler growing conditions in temperate regions. Vinca is drought tolerant plant. When come to the point of soil, Vinca is very tolerant of salt in the soil. Vinca prefers fertile, moist but well drained soil, usually found in sandy soils in the wild, but also Vinca found in rocky soils. This Catharanthus roseus like acidic soils. pH level around 5.5 is better for Vincas. This plant not tolerant to excessive fertilizer, so don't over fertilize the plant. When come to the point of propagation, Catharanthus propagated from tip cuttings as well as from seeds. You can take 5 to 8 centimeters long tip cuttings and trim it. Then take the cuttings and dip it into the rooting hormone powder and plant these cuttings. When come to the point of uses of these Catharanthus roseus plant, this Catharanthus having lot of medicinal properties. This Catharanthus roseus plant used in herbal medicines. The species has long been cultivated for herbal medicines. In Ayurveda, the extracts of its roots and shoots, though they are poisonous, are used against several diseases. Extracts from this plant have been used against numerous diseases including diabetes, malaria and Hodgkin's lymphoma. This plant has alkaloids known as Vinca alkaloids. This Vinca plant has 130 types of compounds in it. Two of these compounds are vinblastine and vincristine. This vinblastine and vincristine used in treatment of leukemia and Hodgkin's lymphoma. This Hodgkin's lymphoma is a cancer related to lymphatic system. Leukemia is a white blood cell cancer. Traditional medicine, periwinkle has been used for relieving muscle pain, depression of the central nervous system. This Vinca also used for applying to wasp stings and heal wounds. This Vinca is very beneficial plant, commonly used to decorate road borders and parks in temperate regions. Due to its variation in flower colors, it will start flowering quickly when compared to other plants. This Vinca plant is having antioxidant properties also in it. Catharanthus roseus pollinated by butterflies and moths. Hence it is known as Sadafuli in Marathi, Billaganneru in Telugu. Vinca is a very good ornamental plant that you can plant it in your garden. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.